Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to do scrapbooking for a baby boy. If you have a nephew or the son of a friend that's just been born and you want to preserve the memories, you can make a scrapbook, and there are all kinds of papers and embellishments available. This is an example of some scrapbook paper specifically for a baby album. There are all kinds of ones available, and I'm going to show you quickly just a sample of an 8x8 layout that you can do. I'm just going to use this nice little blue paper, and then I'm going to put a mat. What I'm going to do is just put a little adhesive on the back of the mat. You can use any kind of adhesive, glue sticks or tape runners like this, whatever you're comfortable with. Just put enough to keep it on there. And then I'm going to place it on here. It doesn't matter where you put it, it's all personal preference. I'm going to put it there. Then I'm going to take this little thing. It says Little Miracle. And you can make stuff like this, or you can buy it pre-made in craft stores. This one is pre-made, and this is what you call a journaling tag. You put this here, and it kind of provides a title for the page, and also you can put a little journaling here. You could put the name of the baby or the birth date, whatever it is that you would like. And then another element that you usually use on a scrapbook page are embellishments. And here I made up some die-cut embellishments that I'm going to apply to the page. I already put them through a Xyron, so it's adhesive on the back. And this is just like a little baby cutout, a little baby boy. I'm going to put that there. I drew a little face on it. Do whatever you want. And then I'm going to put some little PJs, little footsie PJs, like that. And then I'm going to put a little bear. And you'll notice the different colors that I use coordinate with each other. You do whatever you want. Use whatever color scheme you want. So there you have a scrapbook page, and you can do a bunch of pages, and there you have an album. And my name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.